Thanks. Hey YouTube, it's Rebecca and Liliana here. Today we are doing a video on her hair care routine and how I got her hair to grow super fast. I'm very excited to share this. All the products that I will use, I will list down below. And before we get started, go ahead and make sure that you hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with what her and I are doing. So without further ado, let's get started. So while we're in the tub, I wash her hair with this. It's the Shea Moisture Baby Shampoo. This one is 100% virgin coconut oil with sweet pea and maru. I got this little thing from Amazon. It's a little shield that'll shield their ears while you're washing their hair. It's okay. All right. See, you're fine. All right. Take that off. Bless you. You turn around, mommy. All right. As you see, she's really got a lot of hair. Okay, time to rinse. Then the last thing in the bathtub that I do for her hair is I use this BELLO Premium Conditioner. This definitely helps with getting all the tangles out for when I comb her hair. So this can be used as a regular conditioner. You can rinse it out when you're done, or you can use it as a leave-in conditioner. So I usually leave it in because, like I said, it helps, keep the knots at bay. I'm going to take her comb and just comb through her hair. Just look how long it is. That is 6 months growth right there. Starting from nothing. So hey, Can you wave? Say hey. Say hey. Alright, so that's it for the bathtub. Now we're going to go ahead and show you what we do after the bath. Alright, so after the bath, then this is our routine. We went ahead and put on her lotion and everything else that she needs to get ready for bed. And with her hair, when I wash it, I do it twice a week, and I always put the conditioner in, even if I'm not washing her hair, so that way we can get the knots out. So what I use, that's no bueno. What I use is this virgin coconut oil mixed with this baby lotion that's the same thing as her shampoo. And then every other night I use this lengthening growth serum. It's made for babies and kids, and it's been working very, very well. So, nice Lily. I just get that much coconut oil. Apparently she's trying to learn too. Then about that much, about the same amount of the lotion. The hair oil is mixed with hibiscus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops of that every other night. So then I just mix this little potion up on my hand. Alright. And make sure there's no lumps left. Alright. So then we take a little bit, and I just go like this on her curls to make sure that they get completely saturated. Also while getting it on her scalp. And just continue and do it around the whole head. And look how long her hair is. That is so crazy. That is 6 months of growth right there. All from using this routine. So I started this in like March or April. It's now August. So I guess it wouldn't be 6 months of growth then. But it grew very fast. And that's her whole hair care routine. Please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more of this beautiful little girl. Can you look? Yeah, that's right. And thank you so much for watching. We'll see y'all next time.